Hey guys, it's Tyler here, and there's lightning, all sorts of lightning outside, and it's raining. And yeah, I was showing the lightning earlier, but I'm not sure if you can see it on this window. It's gonna get crazy tonight, though. But I might be eating while I watch the storm, though, so, sorry if you hear a click. Sorry if you hear someone eating, but that's me, and I need to eat something because I'm hungry, and yeah. The weather's going to get pretty bad here, so I'm just waiting for it. Let's see how close the lightning gets. And you probably can't see it, but it's raining and there's a lot of lightning. Enjoy this 30-minute video as I wait for the weather to get worse. Hopefully this video is not boring. Probably should put it on there's the moon. I probably should put this up so you can hear the lightning better. Hear if there's lightning. So it doesn't make it entirely boring, like there's no lightning or nothing. Can't hear anything. It's kind of hard to hear. Anyways, here it is. Whoa, I just saw a lightning strike. A very small one. Over in that area. The weather tonight's not so good. Actually, I don't think it's raining anymore. I think it's just lightning now. So I don't hear any rain. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my food real quick. I'll be right back. Sorry the door slammed. It was because when my room is when my windows light up and like that, it kind of lets the door in and it kind of slams it a little bit. I was not meaning to slam it. I was not slamming it. It was because my mom's making my food. But anyways, here's the weather. I wonder what that noise was. Oh my god, this is incredible. Even though I don't think the weather is getting that bad, so I might end this early, because the weather's not getting too bad. Yeah, it's kind of too bad, because this video is getting boring, and so far there's no lightning so far. I've done able to show in this window, but I wish there was more lightning. If it gets worse tonight, I'm gonna film it again, and I'm gonna do longer videos. So actually, if it gets worse out, like if the lightning gets more purple or whatever, then I'm gonna film it, and and I'm gonna film it and show you guys. Okay? See you guys later. Bye.